Some new interesting things with Google. Apparently, they changed their search to AI based. And since that update about a week or two ago, I think this is 5/22/2024, you notice that your search is now going to Yahoo for some reason. So, same thing. You see the pictures are laid out here. These are ads. You're not going directly to what you want to find right away. Now look at this. Google search. Going directly to what we're used to seeing. Okay. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to your settings, then hit reset, and then just restore to the original defaults. It'll kick you out after it's done. You'll have to log back in, and then you'll have this as your home screen. Notice there is no Gmail anymore. No home button. So you come down to your appearance in your settings. Home button is disabled. It's back on. Now you have no Gmail. You still can't hyper click right to your right home button. Now it goes straight to your email. Right? So that's what we're going to have to do. For some reason, they got rid of it. They're doing the AI based only. So remember settings, reset, log back in, come to appearance, turn on your home button, turn on Gmail. Your home button will now hyperlink or whatever it's called, fast link you to your home, to your Gmail. I mean, I don't know why they did it, but that's what I've figured out. I'm sure there's smarter people out there that'll hit the comments and show a better way. But this is what I have figured out as of today.